Composition is a design principle in object-oriented programming that involves building complex types by combining objects of other types. Rather than inheriting behavior from a base class, a class can contain instances of other classes, allowing it to achieve the desired functionality through collaboration rather than hierarchy. While composition is not one of the four main object-oriented programming principles, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism, it is a widely adopted and powerful concept in OOP. It is often preferred as an alternative to inheritance, particularly when flexibility and low coupling between components are desired.